I see myself marrying my current partner? Well, Bel Mariano, this is an interesting question that I do not know the answer to. I really like and love my girlfriend. She's everything I could ask for in a woman, and she's so amazing and so sweet. I do love her very much. So thinking about marriage, honestly, so thinking about marriage at this point is a bit too early for my taste. I would love to get married in the future, but knowing who I marry is not something I know. Sorry, but I can't read the future. Whatever happens to both of us, I know it will be good. Dagdag pa ng aktor, pero pinapanalangin ko na siya na. Yan ang naging sagot ng aktor. Kung nakikita niya ba ang sarili niya, napapakasalan niya si Bel Mariano. Tila nahirapan siya sa tanong, ano sa palagay niyo, Don Bel fans? Comment down below.